Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Red Rock Crawlers. This week we teamed up with BOAR Offroad once again to clean up the area around Jacob City and Ophir, Utah. With the staggering amount of trash that's in this area, we knew we'd fill the trailer up quick, so we try and keep it organized.
Yeah, they look almost identical. Hey, this is like our third bag.
I know, you guys are killing it over here.
We missed our calling in life.
I think so. Pretty awesome. I gotta get this BOAR hard hat.
Yeah, it took a hit.
Yeah, look at that. That's awesome.
Put a limb down and crack me in the head.
If you get here, I can roll it from there. Fine, get it all the way there.
With both trailers full, we secure the loads and prepare for the trail ride up towards Jacob City.
Those are the only bungees I have, Dad.
Randy gets the MVP award with the refreshments he brought, and we head our way up the mountain.
We got here, I forgot.
Randy came through for us. Look at that. I'll have some of those before everybody else gets to them.
Yeah. You better.
I got my driver here so I can do all the filming.
We follow the switchbacks up the canyon, and it doesn't take long before we start seeing some snow. get word on the radio that Steven's YJ is smoking, so we stop to check it out.
It's coming out right through here. I don't know if it's the oil's getting on it or if that clamp's loose and that's just a cause.
That's alright. Just oil.
I do stop.
And as soon as we get going again, we hear that Serena's Cherokee has a flat tire.
Hi, Brian.
You really think you can put that? That's a good size.
Don't look too long. Yeah. That was the next.
Being that this is a sidewall puncture, we do our best, but we're not too hopeful that it's going to hold.
Oh, remember that? I had to put some. I put some dirt on my face.
Discount tire.
As we wait for the tire to fill, we take some time to enjoy our surroundings.
That's the Skull Valley over there.
The air was coming out as fast as it was going in, so we moved quickly to get it to level ground so we can change the tire. You can hear air loss with every rotation. Back in the 1870s, these silver mines were in full swing. Now all that remains are a few access roads and some empty mine shafts. Coy said he wasn't trying to run me over, but I'm not so convinced.
Yeah.
With this slippery climb ahead, some of us decide to play it safe and go around, but others, like Steve, well, he's always fully committed. We regroup on top of this tailings pile for a chance to get some lunch and to change some tires.
Yeah, you like that? Oh, you got a 50. Look at that.
$70.
Instead of studs, they're
Oh,
just
yeah.
part of the bolt.
Mercedes.
It's like a Volkswagen.
Tires are just like
That's it, exactly. I was going to say that's a Fiat thing. Right?
Yeah. Brian, this view's all too familiar.
Yeah. Oh wait.
Yeah. That's right.
Hopefully I wasn't there getting filmed on that time, I'm sure.
Brian starts making excuses why he thinks someone else should be changing this tire.
I mean, I could keep twisting
that
until
from this
that
guy.
grade 8 snaps in half. I might need somebody with smaller guns over here.
Are you hitting at me here or what?
No.
Unfortunately, there was more than one tire getting swapped out today.
Oh, yeah.
That's a good shot.
On the move again, we encounter lots of oncoming traffic and lots of mud. Once we reached the top, the view made it all worthwhile. It was time to head for home, so we take the old toll road back down. It was a much smoother ride. Thanks for watching, everybody, and thanks to all those who came to help clean up and enjoy a day on the trail. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more awesome videos.